Malawi Brief.
Pamene zokambirana zikupitirira ku nyumba ya malamulo kunabwera nkhani yokhuzana ku Mangochi District Hospital kumene akuti kukumabadwa ana osachepera 50 pa tsiku. Nkhaniyi inabwera ndi MP akumeneko amene akupempha nduna kuti athe kuwonjezera chipatalachi kuti chithenso kumakwanirisa kuthandiza azimayi amene akuberekawa. Koma nkhaniyi inabweretsa chidwi kwambiri mnyumbayi pamenenso speaker kapena kuti deputy speaker mnyumbayi anafunsa phungu wa derali kuti athe kusimikizadi pa nambala imene watchulayo kuti ndiyoonadi. Taonerani mmene zinaliri.
Mr. First Deputy Speaker, sir, for giving this opportunity to the people of Mangochi Municipal to ask a supplementary question. Through you, I would like to ask the able Minister of Health to consider construction of more wards at Mangochi Maternity Wing. The capacity of the hospital is that it has 129 beds, but currently it is admitting more than 500 patients. And the capacity of the hospital is that is ready to receive about 20 babies per day, but currently we get on average about 50 babies every 24 hours. It is in this regard that if we can construct more wards, we are going to achieve the safe motherhood that the president...
Honourable Member, Parliament is an international house. It's being listened to. Are you committing the statistics you have just shared with us to be the realistic statistics of Mangochi?
Yes, First Deputy Speaker, sir. 50 babies every 24 hours. It is in this regard that I ask this House and I ask the Minister of Health to consider construction of more wards, because currently we only have 129 beds, and we are admitting about 500 patients. And on a similar note, I would like to ask the able Minister of Health to pay a visit so that she appreciates the challenges that we are facing. I submit.
Thank you, Honourable Member. Let me jump to Lilongwe City, Lumbazi constituency.
Thank you so much, Right First Deputy Speaker, for recognizing the people of Lilongwe City, Lumbazi, to offer a supplementary question to the Minister of Health. Right Honorable First Deputy Speaker, I wish to first of all bring to the attention of the Minister of Health that Lilongwe City Lumbazi constituency has only one health center, and apparently it is at Lumbazi Trading Center. Lumbazi Trading Center is at the farthest end of the constituency, which demarcates with a constituency in Doha. And longest distance from the first point to the end point of the constituency is over 20 kilometers. What it means here is that the people at the other farthest end have challenges in accessing health facilities. And in view of this, I would wish to request the able Minister of Health to consider constructing a health center at the very middle of the constituency, and this could be at the headquarters of Senior Chief Chitukula, or elsewhere closer at Mbambanda Primary School. We already have space that could facilitate that process. And would like to believe that if this request is taken into consideration, the people of Lilongwe City, Lumbadzi, will be very much supported. Let me end up by indicating that, Honorable First Deputy Speaker, I've said this, I think, more than once, that I do not really understand why Lilongwe City, Lumbadzi constituency has been placed within the city, because we only have 2 training centers that would actually justify that it's part of a city, and this is Area 25 and Lumbadzi itself. But over 85% of a constituency is typically rural, and therefore it would be appropriate for government through the Ministry of Health to consider constructing the health facility in the constituency. I submit, Right Honorable First Deputy Speaker, and thank you once more for granting us an opportunity to submit the question. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honourable Member. We would like to appreciate the way you've expressed the Lumbadzi area. Honourable Member, if your constituency powers permits you, we still see people putting up grass-thatched houses on the airport road. I don't know if you or anyone else can intervene on the same, because it doesn't look well for people to be constructing grass-thatched houses on the airport road. I wonder if that's your constituency, but I wanted for you to take note of that too. I will now go to Honourable Member from Kota Liwalazi for a supplementary question. Kota Liwalazi.
Honourable Minister of Health. Mr. First Deputy Speaker, through you, I would first like to commend the able Minister of Health for opening the Videgete Health Post. Mr. First Deputy Speaker, I would like to ask the able Minister to consider allocating staff to the health post, as this health post is serving a larger population in Kota Liwalazi. Not only that, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, through you, I would like to ask the able Minister of Health to consider allocating a pump at Katimpira Health Center, as this health center has been facing water problems through the past 5 months. I submit, Mr. First Deputy Speaker. Thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Member, for that question. The last supplementary on that list comes from the good people of Mangochi Mankibe. Mangochi Mankibe, you have the floor.
Which one is it?
Mangochi Mankibe, you have just removed yourself from the system. Please request for the floor again. You have the floor, sir.
Thank you, First Deputy Speaker, for granting the people of Mangochi Mankibe to ask a supplementary question. Mine is just in advance of Mangochi Municipal. We would like to ask Honorable Minister to consider upgrading the Mangochi District Hospital to a full central hospital. The Honorable Minister would like to appreciate that Mangochi District Hospital currently treats more patients than Zomwe Central Hospital, and Mangochi District Council services a population in excess of 1.5 million people. We would like the ministry to consider, especially with assisting with the expertise, also equipment support, and health funding, to upgrade this hospital to a full central hospital. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you very much, Honorable Minister, for that last set of supplementary questions. You have the floor, Madam. Please request again. You have the floor, Honorable Minister.
Thank you so much, Mr. First Deputy Speaker. And through you, let me thank the honorable member for Mangochi Municipal, who is asking my ministry to consider construction of more wards at the district health hospital maternity, which currently has 129 beds. But we've also learned that within 24 hours, 30 babies are being born. It means the hospital is overburdened and the need for more wards cannot be overemphasized. Mr. First Deputy Speaker, I have visited Mangochi District Hospital before, and I agree that Mangochi District Hospital is overburdened. And my ministry is making all necessary support to ensure that resources are identified that we can assist in decongesting Mangochi District Hospital. And meanwhile, we'll still leverage on the resources under CDF to increase the wards at the district hospital, whilst my ministry is working hard to ensure that we identify more resources. I would also like to thank the honorable member for Lilongwe Site Lumbazi, who has asked my ministry to consider constructing a health center at the far end of his constituency, considering that his constituency only has one public facility and it is located at Lumbazi. My ministry has taken note of this request. I would like to advise the honorable member if this health center can be included at a district council level, where we can capitalize on the funds allocated to the CDF. I would also like to thank the honorable member for Nkota Lewalazi. Indeed, in Nkota Lewalazi, Vilekeke Health Post was opened, and at the moment requires more staff. I would like to advise honorable member for Nkota Liwalazi to liaise with the district commissioner for Nkota, as currently staffing health centers at district level is under the Ministry of Local Government through the DCs, whilst at the same time, my ministry will ensure to provide a hand to make sure that this happens and the Vilekeke Health Post is allocated staff. In the same vein, I'm thanking the honorable member for Mangochi Mankibe. This supplementary question is coming for the second time, where my ministry is being asked to consider upgrading Mangochi District Hospital to a central hospital. I understand the need, as I already mentioned that I've been at Mangochi District Hospital. I've seen the need, I've seen the congestion that is there, I've seen how it is catering for a lot of health centers and other district hospitals. And I would like to advise the honorable member to properly provide this question so that we can provide a proper and tangible response that would help the people of Mangochi moving forward, it's not just a matter of upgrading to a central hospital. A central hospital has its own requirements, So there's going to be a lot of assessments that will need to be conducted if indeed Mangochi District Hospital can be a central hospital, and how best my ministry can support to ensure that services at Mangochi District Hospital have been upgraded. I thank you, Mr. First Deputy Speaker.
Thank you very much, honourable members. That marks the end of questions to the Honourable Minister of Health.